great question, and it's a very, very important question. It's an important question for everyone to know. And I think the earlier that you get to know this, the better it is for yourself as a singer. But just in life in general, is self-awareness, I think, is an amazing skill that I didn't learn for a long time, to probably deep into my 30s. On a personal note, obviously singing, I learnt pretty quickly trying to sing along to some of these, these amazing singers. But just, I remember singing along to these amazing singers going, well, look, I'm not them, but I'm going to do the best that I can. And that's really the thing that all singers want to do as well too, is that just accept yourself, accept your voice, and sing in keys that feel good, that are comfortable, where you're not straining or hurting yourself, or it's becoming not fun. Because there are great singers in every genre and in every level, so singing light, low, medium, and high. So self-awareness is a really big one. Be comfortable with yourself, accept yourself for who you are, and love yourself, and accept your voice, and just be thankful that you have a voice, because there are some people out there that can't speak. So appreciate what you've got.